Hey guys, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wise to receive money. First of all, what you have to do is open Wise. So I live in a country where Wise account is not available for receiving money. So I can only send money. But what if someone wants to send money to me in my Wise account? Then what you have to do simply, you have to go to the recipients option on the bottom and then click on add a recipient. And then you have to search the currency of the country you live in. Select the currency. You have to select bank details. Now it will ask you who's your recipient. Simply click on myself. And then you have to enter the IBAN number of your bank account. Now on this step, what you have to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page and turn on the option called primary account. If this option is grayed out, so if this method doesn't work for you, like it's not working for me, then what you can do is simply go to recipient. Now, what you have to do is add the recipient from which you want to receive money. For instance, I have added this person. So I want to receive money from this person. What I will do, I will simply click on the request button and then I will click on start requesting money. And then it will ask me how much money do I want to request from the recipient, enter the amount of $12 and send the request to my recipient, and recipient will get the request of me requesting money from him. Once he approves, I will receive money from his account to my Wise account. So that's simply how you can use Wise to receive money. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.